Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Tea Talks. I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are fine. So, I wanted to talk about mental health today. So it's very important at this point in time because we guys are staying at home more than ever, and we are not basically doing anything right now except for work from home. We are not going outside. We are not meeting our friends physically, like we video call them and all. So at this point in time, it's very important to talk about how important your mental health is. Okay, so mental health is important for way many reasons. So, like, we all were shocked when Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide because we were not able to believe that a person like Sushant, who had everything, he had fame, he had money, he had movies, he was doing successful movies, why a person like him will commit suicide? Because, like, that too, because of depression. So, this is something which, okay, money, fame, your work, status in your society doesn't decide or doesn't tell how a person, what a person might be thinking, or is he or she under depression or not. So yeah, money, fame, health doesn't define your mental health. So what mental illness is actually? It is a condition which causes serious disorder in person's behavior or thinking. And why is it important, and why we need to talk about it? Because you might never know. Maybe you're meeting your friend today and he must be, you must see him or her, and he or she is very happy and very jolly, and the next thing you know, that they committed suicide, or they had serious depression, they were going under serious depression, but you had no clue about it. They might be smiling in front of you, but from inside they are crying. And let me give you, okay, the second thing is suicide. Let me talk about suicide. India reported 2,30,314 suicide deaths in 2016. Okay, this is an old number from 2016, but I have not been updated about 2019. And the most common age for committing suicide in India is from the age between 15 to 39. That's the working age. And the suicide rate in India is 17.8% per 1 lakh people, which is above the global suicide rate of 10.5%. So, like, I did a like this is my personal thinking that why we have such a rate that we have. Okay, again, this comes back to our society. We take everything way too seriously. Like this, the suicide rate in India, the suicide age, the most common suicide, if people are committing suicide, they're committing from the age of 29 to 39, the most common age group. Why? We pressurize our children, we pressurize our people for their results. 10th ho gaya, 12th ho gaya, whatever, we pressurize them. If they don't get certain kind of a percentage, we make them feel as if they don't belong to the society, or as if they won't be able to do anything in their life. Then when we are past our 10th and 12th, we go to college, we push them hard to get into the best colleges in India, or else their future will be doomed, which is not true. That creates a mental pressure. We go after our college life, we want them to go and get the perfect job which is out there. If we don't get the perfect job, our life is doomed. If we don't become a doctor or a CA or an engineer or whatever their society wants them to become, you won't be able to do anything. That all creates a lot of pressure in a person's mind, and he might do it just because his society wants him or her to do it, but from inside he's not happy with what he's not happy with what he's doing. And that creates a gap or a disorder in his mind or her mind, thinking that maybe he's not fit for the society, or he's not doing what he wants to do, and that thing is not making him happy. Sometimes this is one of the reasons why suicide rate is higher in India. My thinking, again, you might differ with my point of view. So what can be done so that we change that? We have to talk about our mental health and our mental illness issues with our friends and our family. We need to talk to each other. We need to go to psychiatrist. We cannot think, "Hey, if I go to a psychiatrist, what will my friend think about it?" Mental health is as simple, like, you need to talk to your friends, you need to talk to your family members, you need to go to a psychiatrist. You cannot think about what they'll say or what they'll think about you. Mental health is as important as your physical health. If you're physically fit, you will be able to work. That's important. As well as if you're mentally fit, you will be able to work. As if you're physically fit but you're mentally not fit, that will not help. And mental health pushes you into depression, and depression's last stage is suicide. The same way the last stage of a cancer is death, the same way if you are under depression and the last stage of depression is suicide. So it is very much an illness and we need to take it very seriously. There's a lot we can talk about it, we can sit and discuss about it. We can do a lot of talking and discussing and conversation on it. But this is a small video which I made just to inform you that don't be ashamed of your mental health. Or if you are going through something, it can be a lot of reasons. Maybe financial, maybe your personal, maybe your relationship is not working out, maybe the job which you're doing, you're not happy with that. Whatever you're doing, you're not happy with that. So there can be n number of reasons why you might feel a bit depressed, or you might feel anxiety, whatever it is. So just talk to someone, go to a psychiatrist, get yourself checked, because that's the best way you can overcome this. That's all I would like to say. And if you like this video, please share this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. If you have any suggestions on how to improve my videos and what topics which I should pick up on my next video, do comment down below. Thank you so much.